Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, December 17th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. We have a few activities today in Async. Remember, it is Thursday, so it's the last day of the week. So you have all of your activities for the weekend. So the first thing you have is formal versus informal discussion. So you are going to see some scenarios, situations, and you're going to see formal and informal. And you are going to write it, you're going to look at the scenario and see what it tells you to do a formal way or an informal way. All right. So for example, so here you have a scenario. You are asking to meet and discuss something important. So how would you talk to your supervisor in person, and how would you talk to your friend? All right, so you have a formal way and an informal way. So here's an example of how to do that. So the scenario is someone gave you some good advice the other day, but you can't remember what they said. So you're informal, you call a close family member, and this is what you say to your close family member. And formal, you are emailing your doctor. So this is what you would say to your doctor. Okay, so one is informal, one is formal. So that's what you're going to do here. So you have the one scenario about discussing something important, and then you would write the formal and then the informal response. Make sure to check for spelling. All right. Your next activity is in your textbook. You're going to complete parts 1 and 2 on page 78. Take a picture and post in the comments. And your third activity is Achieve 3000. You're going to read the article Three Legendary Women, and you are going to um, find the problem and the solution. The three women each have a problem and a solution, and you are going to paraphrase, meaning use your words. Don't copy and paste, use your words to explain their problem and a solution and their solution, okay, from this article. All right. And that's it for async. It is Thursday. So we have sync, and we are going to do a pitch practice. So what a pitch practice is when you explain to your partner about you explain to your partner your claim and your evidence. Okay. And then you are going to fill out that, and then the person who is giving you the feedback will give you some pointers. All right. That's what we will do. And that's it. Good luck.